You searched how to buy shares of Appian Corporation. Appian is an enterprise software company focused on low-code automation and process management, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker APPN. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you will need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you normally must verify your account with an identity document and add funds to your account before purchasing. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker APPN to find Appian Corporation. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to open the stock page. On the stock page, check the company description and the price chart to confirm this is Appian Corporation. Verify the market shows NASDAQ and the ticker reads APPN to ensure you have the correct asset. To place a trade, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next market open. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow the same steps, the eToro link is in the description.